All right, y'all, so we're about to hit Panorama Trail today. We're out at Yosemite National Park, California. All right, bro, I'm gonna start running now.
All right, catch you, Boogie.
Hello.
Hey. You know I got the Riz, bro. What's up, River? Beautiful day in paradise, y'all. Hey. Sorry. Hey. Y'all know me, the fucking Rizzler out here. Another day in the life. Can you feel it? Feel it in the air. All right, 9.12 miles. Just finished Panoramic Trail over here at Yosemite. It was so beautiful. Definitely recommend for anybody coming to Yosemite.